We talked recently about quavers, about getting a good quality sound in quicker notes. And I said that I thought there were two problems really. One is that you've got to get a decent sound with the bow, and the other is the coordination between your right hand and your left hand. So we looked at playing faster notes and making sure we had a good quality sound with this hand. We talked about being relaxed over here, but not so relaxed that we're there, not completely tight, just a bit relaxed, a bit of give over here. In real life, we don't often get to play repeated pitches, do we? If we're going to get a quaver passage, it's much more likely that it goes somewhere or that it comes back. So let's do, I like the key of G major, so we're going to start on a G and we'll go up 5 notes using a forefinger and come back down again. So starting on a G, going up, back, G. Let's try that together. Ready, go. Move up to an A. To C. And stop there in a minute. What we will do is we'll come back down again. But we'll just recap that first. So I'm in the top third of the bow. Very relaxed here, very relaxed here. Just letting that finger make all of the sound, all of this hanging off from there. I'm in first position in G major, starting on a G, going up 5 notes and coming back. Nice and steady. We go together. 1, 2. A string. Up to B. C. Back to B. G to finish. Did you stay in the top half of the bow? Did you stay very relaxed but not flapping about over here? We're just going to do it again at the same speed. Tip of the bow, very relaxed. 1, 2. pretty sedate quavers, aren't they? So we'd better speed it up a bit. How about... It's just a bit quicker. Still time to be very relaxed, still time to get the string going, make a good sound. Don't resort to skating over the top because you think it's going too quick. There is time to play each note and make a decent sound. Here we go. 1, 2. Coming down. Better speed it up again then, don't you think? How about... It's quite steady really. Here we go. 1, 2. Come down. Those are starting to feel slightly more like quavers. Shall we go up again then? How about... So think carefully about how much bow you need. Don't be too extravagant. Don't be too stingy either though. Otherwise you'll never get a nice sound, but don't get too carried away. We're not after a big sound, just a nice, gentle, tidy set of quavers. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. That is how I would practice a passage that was nimble and fiddly and quick that I couldn't play. And I'd use a metronome. I would set it at a speed that I was really comfortable at. And I'd do it 2 or 3 times at that speed and be 100% accurate each time. And then I'd creep the metronome up by 2, 4 if I was feeling brave. And you'll hardly notice the difference, but suddenly you'll find that your fingers and your bow are much nimbler. But together, it's really important that you don't end up uncoordinated between the two. So start slowly, make sure it's really, really well lined up, really together, and then speed things up just a little bit at a time. See if you can take yourself by surprise.